Explore the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood and uncover the secrets hiding in plain sight. Join us on a journey to the unknown reaches of our solar system. It is led by the Sun, a blazing star at the heart of it all. The planets swirl around it, each with its own story. Get ready to have your mind blown by the surprising facts and theories that will change the way you look at the night sky forever. Let's go! Strap in, Space Explorer. The Sun. The Sun is a huge glowing ball made mostly of hydrogen and helium gas. It's over 100 times wider than Earth and weighs more than 300,000 Earths put together. Deep inside, the Sun makes energy through a process called nuclear fusion. This energy travels out and gives us light, heat, and life. The Sun is the center of the solar system. Everything orbits around it, including Earth. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. It's a rocky world with lots of craters, like our moon. Mercury has no air to trap heat, so it gets very hot during the day, over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and freezing cold at night. A year on Mercury only lasts 88 Earth days because it orbits the Sun so fast. Even though it's super hot near the Sun, Mercury hides frozen water in deep, dark craters near its poles. These spots never see sunlight. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and about the same size as Earth. But it's incredibly hot, even hotter than Mercury, because its thick clouds trap heat like a giant oven. The surface is full of volcanoes, mountains, and dry plains. Its atmosphere is full of toxic gases like carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Spinning backwards. Venus spins the wrong way. The Sun rises in the west and sets in the east, the opposite of Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only one we know that has life. It has everything life needs: air to breathe, water to drink, and sunlight for warmth. Earth spins once every 24 hours, which gives us day and night, and orbits the Sun once a year. From space, Earth looks blue and green with swirling white clouds. The Moon. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It's about 1/4 the size of Earth and orbits us every 27.3 days. The Moon has no air or water, so it looks dry and rocky, covered with craters. When we see a full moon, it's because sunlight is reflecting off its surface. The Moon's gravity helps control ocean tides on Earth. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is called the Red Planet because of the rusty iron in its soil. It's dry and cold, but it once had rivers and lakes. Mars has the biggest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and deep valleys like Valles Marineris. Scientists are still searching for signs of past life here. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet and the largest one in the solar system. It's a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. You can't stand on it because it doesn't have a solid surface. Jupiter's most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a massive storm bigger than Earth. Jupiter has more than 90 moons and a faint ring system. Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant like Jupiter, but is most famous for its wide rings. The rings are made of ice chunks and space rocks that spin around the planet. Saturn is so light it could float in water if you found a big enough bathtub. It has over 100 moons, including Titan, which has lakes of methane. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. The atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane makes Uranus blue. What makes Uranus special is that it spins on its side, like it's rolling around the sun. It also has faint rings and more than 25 moons. Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system. It takes Uranus 84 Earth years to orbit the sun. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. One day on Uranus lasts 17 hours and 14 minutes. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the sun in our solar system. It's a giant icy world known for its deep blue color and incredibly strong winds. Neptune is about 30 times farther from the sun than Earth. That's around 2.8 billion miles away, and it takes a long time to go around the sun. One Neptune year lasts 165 Earth years. Even though it's the smallest of the gas giants, Neptune is still 4 times wider than Earth. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane, and it's the methane that gives Neptune its beautiful blue color. But don't let that color fool you. Neptune is freezing cold with temperatures around -353 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has a faint ring system made of tiny dust particles and at least 14 moons. The biggest moon is Triton, and it's special because it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. Back in 1989, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft spotted a huge storm on Neptune called the Great Dark Spot. It was as big as Earth. And get this, Neptune has the fastest winds in the whole solar system, blowing at more than 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane.
Pluto. Pluto is a small, icy world far away at the edge of our solar system. It's much smaller than our moon, but it still has mountains, valleys, and plains made of ice. Pluto is very cold, so cold that water is as hard as rock.
Pluto resides in the Kuiper Belt. It is a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies and other dwarf planets. Think of it like a giant cosmic donut made mostly of icy bodies, comets, and dwarf planets.
It takes 248 years to go around the sun just once. Even though it's small, Pluto has 5 moons. The biggest one is Charon, and it's so large that Pluto and Charon almost act like a double planet. Pluto used to be called the 9th planet, but now scientists call it a dwarf planet.
And as we leave this amazing cosmic neighborhood behind, remember, the solar system is just one tiny part of a vast, mysterious universe. Every planet, every moon, every glowing star has a story to tell. So keep looking up, keep dreaming big, and one day, maybe you'll be the next explorer to uncover the secrets beyond the stars. See you next time.